Yeah, league in Ababedruno, things have been done very well, especially because of senior year arranging fixtures no, and the facts of China, yeah, bomb matches at the same time. But I would love to get some of the games, no, most of them on TV, just to push up the transparency. But again, a bit more difficult because, like the last time analysis na me no, most of the teams are every league, air games are other opponents also want something in the game, which I've tried to go through the data of Kotoko away to Babieni in the last few years. And the last time Kotoko were there, it was only the first time in 2021. Na Kotoko Timiko She Babieni or the dance park. Already, my picking information is Babieni for a full coach from Paul Mansopa. Because two losses so many against Vichy in Karela. They believe say na only at post and now scouted for your junior national teams in the affected team Nikakra. So there is a lot of pressure on BBNE to deliver. Niamini and say, have BBNE delivered under pressure before? Times are pressure warm so that they have to win. Have they delivered? I know say a team with a lot of experience. And once Kotoko are coming there, they can get a job done. I would have already told you saying Kotoko be lusu match now we at BBN and so much to share. Ebianka draw for them. Because Kotoko's away from having been the best, especially when Kotoko go away to teams that on the grounds that are noted as fortresses. Baby a Kotoko kwa ye jitu mu se sa hode de ana teams di tifi omo ta ahero. Ana when Kotoko are going there this season, they have not been the best. At home at the Baba Sports Stadium, you can put your money on Kotoko and go and sleep. But Ana if they are going away from home, their away table doesn't favor them. And now on the away table, Kotoko at 7th with 16 points. Dreams FC and Nesro, Sama Texed and Nesro, BBNE Gold Stars, Hearts of Lions, El Horum. What I want to do is that when you pick up the Ghana Premier League table, no, the more detailed one, now be able to come away from home. Now also share all of the games away from home in the dreaded grounds now. Accra to folk the last time I Kotoko no Kobo draw Horum, Kotoko Nations, Okolusi 2-0, Kotoko Accra, Okolusi 3-0 to Accra Lions, Oko Hearts of Lions, Okobo 1-1 draw Horum, Oko away to Wenchi against Young Apostles, Okobo draw Horum, Samates in St. Che draw Horum. So rich tactically, even the last time at Tuyenchen 2 years in Swatreman, Kotoko lost at in Swatreman also. Or the Nanafus my friends in Swatreman. So it tells you Kotoko away to Mediama draw. Kotoko Dreams FC Nonkokui. That's the last away game that Kotoko were able to win away from home. They did it back to back because normally Ediana so Kotoko away from home and difficult. And especially with the kind of home form that Dreams FC have, it makes it even better. Because so Oshe League home form now. Mediama Asante Kotoko. Hearts of Lions, BBNE Gold Stars. BBNE Gold Stars were the same point as Kotoko when they are playing at home. Just 3 points away from the top.
And without Kwampuku.
Exactly. And the big thing is that BBNE Gold Stars will suffer in momentum because of the last 2 matches, no one see Karela and Vichy, probably will affect them. But generally, you know that it will fear BBNE Gold Stars a team. They have played very well. Almost saying they dominate the league, and then the data doesn't back Kotoko going away from home. The chance I made analysis now, Medema Kotoko say last week. I think that maybe Kawaha. I said Coach Karim Zito a lot of credit in how profiling the players. The profiling of Samba was the best that I've seen in Kotoko for a very long time. You say Samba is centre back there, but or you're more of the aggressive centre back. So Coach Zito decided so the Samba about 6. Now all we need duels the man. So he can use his wingers and then attacking aids to attack the channels very well when they win the ball. And I think that's why Kotoko found a lot of joy the last time out. Maybe that's where the chance comes in. But the absence of Kwampuku is a very, very integral one. Again, Rich, almost all of the games that make us the Kotoko away, the draw ones, most of them, the goals came from Kwampuku. Most of them, the scoring ones, Kwampuku got the goals. And he told you, say, anytime Kotoko traveled away from home and they go away from home, the presence of Kwampuku or boxing is very important for Kotoko, and he has been decisive for them. The absence will be huge and telling on Kumasi and Kotoko. And Unity, I cannot stake my neck and say Kotoko will win the match. I'll tilt towards Tima
because of
and all of the other reasons. I can't say all of the other reasons I've put together. And I'll not be able to stick my neck and say Tima your friend Kumasi and Kotoko. Ever share match against Tima your friend BB.
That's not better.
But away from home, Anna a little bit difficult because they are low blocks. And Kotoko Bar, they prevent you from having a lot of space behind them. Albert thrive on space.
Okay.
And again, so when your team or prep born be fear the then because Albert is incessant or be pressure, no person born through him, you will be able to maximize Albert's strength. But Kwampoko has a box presence better than Albert in that regard. And that's why for me, I think it's better than Kakra and the team my friend Kotoko. You see? Nations FC doesn't have any reason not to win Ochina match on Bayabon. And they're on a very, very good run of form. Some takes away form hasn't been too good. And I think at home, tomorrow Nations will win their job. I will not waste too much time on Nations match on Bebo. In the last 5 matches on Mabono, home or away, they are very, very good. Especially away from home. Home, not too good, but then if anything, away the Omoya Juman.
But there's something about Nations. Last year, for instance, at the point that someone takes here, no beyond Conco that. Nations call Koshom. Obiazo league in the Nations budget. I feel no much as a normal bottle. Games are so. That game where the Nations better than simple. This season because me I know I can't true. Senya no dia. I think against some nations so much.
I think they feel
so much against
match about Kubi Ohoe. Visions any Kerala match. That match, I know that a lot of the concentration is on who wins the league. But Visions in Kerala is a decider for who will stay in the league between the two. Over table now, Kerala 38 points or the 13th. Visions 39 points or 12. From 12th position, Eba Besi 15th, Young Apostles now. From the 39 points, 2 points per the. So what it means is that these two teams, they are possible in fact, they are relegation candidate for the one slot now. And 2 days ago, I'm the coach this vision match, a very difficult game there. But I think the boys now shown say whether home or away from home, they're able to get a job done. When they go away to Accra, I think that once Kerala pick the points here, they are through. Say vision to meet Nefi, non pick points no how they are through. Say game will end in a draw. It opens up a kind of worm for Basake Holy Stars. Basake are going away to go and play against Bechem United and for Suji Abo. There is nothing in for Bechem for the rest of the season. Niaka or Bechem said they have to finish their games that kind. And if Basake they are hungry because they want to come in and win some match, So the most important thing today is between Vision and Kerala. Ochina, if Kerala gets the win, they stay in. Omen Timian yet SHS Sports no harm never yet 1 point plus and 38-40. It gives an opportunity to Basake Holy Stars or 37 points. Only 3 points against Bechem United away from home, 40. Then a very good standing for the last stretch. And that is where I think the game will go. My catcher said for me, I don't think Kotoko are candidate for the league. As it stands now, whatever happens between BBN Ghost Stars
and Ghost Stars and the Nations.
And Kotoko Jumanoma Nations or China as Sentiment Koswa or Buani Niasha, it means that Nations will probably just get a walk through our league on the final days.
And the Nations has a because see you. Come to see. Alexis, sunny birthday. At least we be the birthday. Boys in the bit to me at the I want meet you.
Mammy shall say baby a few years. So I gave never cost water my new town. And me could dim in Como be foul. Na vision for no ending the threat a Kerala for a deba. And they know say they can't sleep. Unim di India. I could be out 3 matches for Premier League in Rich, Vision Bocarella we are. Omo walk over with his Watermine. Then their last game, I was New Town against Kotoko. And see, they know say out of the 3 games, nyame ɛhyira wɔn with insuatrement 3 points bi. Their last game against Kotoko will depend on whether Ebedu or not Kotoko here 3 points and as Omu here 3 points. But they are clear this weekend. Anya Shekwano, Omu play survivor no. Baku never ni fee. Number 2. Coach Nuruddin Amadou, wa coach Vision Pen. That man Vision will lower tier no. So they know him. And they know say Omu Edda Ewan so a bibi betimi asi. Enti Omu attention e wo pop. You see Rich. And no commander me di Vision for so Messi Carella for no. Say no matter what Carella for the bay no, Omu be show mo. And let me say sana baby any for the kind. Omu say oh baby any for the say Omu die. Omo ni tie no na Carella for na be wia omo e de omo ko but omo de omo na Rich how much me bia mehwe.
Okay.
And I think that during that time I will possibly be in Accra nti mekote makwa how much ni bi. Now you see Rich me ne mo ya adwen say oh sa Kotoko anibre na obaso de ko baby ani kobo game no. Kotoko timisha baby any go stars in pa. It will be advantage nations and not Kotoko.
Also, league no intiminje.
That's how I see it. Me, dear ama baby any for Rich, may ye you my film books mu. Tina homa Carella be show more dance park no. Sa Carella win omo nya against baby any dance park no Rich. Mama bemu buye e baby any go stars. Any omo ni bi omo so omo de go league na je no. Look. Baby any go stars go to game no. Rich, it can easily end in a draw. Easily.
And Ebasa de Anish
Ebasa the point is Coach Christopher Enning. And this amateur say about Abrankesen.
Yeah.
Rich this season, Upe Tima. Who expectations were almost so much of fear or sorrow. Now, Omario no my disappointed nations, man.
They flatter to deceive.
Nations to me question difficult match our way.
Last year, I consent Jack question summer text.
I'm more feel see oh the way nations question our way ready a few there.
Agbena.
You may be any ashom.
Okay, say ladies no man no.
Me medical catch us say about footballer. Me am asante bias.
Okay.
Many beji say nations will win the league. Kotoko will win FA Cup. Both Champions League ni Confederations Cup nya yebo Kumasi. Upe bia shabra. Many beji ho pa. Nani exam trophy omo wo e chire omo ba no ma fra o me ba o me say a wo de bra. Na pe bi hye. Many beji sa de no ho pa. But Rich, nations should be careful.
Omo this game no.
Any kwaso omo da. Omo mani now. So when you say Coach Christopher Enning,
yeah.
Rich, or a very, very good coach. One of the very good coaches. Yes. And since Oba Samates, just look at Omo results. Gradually, they started winning some games. And Anya Samates ding. So Maba Sa and Yagu Nations for Garim. And Unim games here Akei. Rich. Nations for our people of the league, and she has on my G3 in front of goal, chance clear, or Pentama, no, or Boffanche. And it's only a team who cool Nessa. You can take advantage of Sadia. I was a nation's more money down. So, calm down.
Young people who
be you are going to feel a double league. They have a very, very good team. So Mobo not pressure be no Moswa. They are probably the best team in Ghana League in him. So individual players now few money, Chawatemo, any anomo, very, very good players. The only thing they say, Rich, they are good players but omunye experience to handle pressure any expectations. And it's a woo coach na say say obeyi sa de na free omo so. So we is there from some of game so yeah boy a normal game there. They show that they can win. Matches and nations about Abrankesi Rich. West Best also much moment man saying na pressure here. And you say they are no good team. A pressure na. Sa pressure say ya kwese breakum chance wa way. Ya be fie ni di obi anim so ya kwaya de wa we a home ya be hye no. Na the pressure na di moment to mani na sa na yapon no moment mi anhye. Say dear Alexis Uminisa Utie, Ben Utie, Tita Mutie. There is no excuse now with my EBT. Excuse because Rich, I did be a Ghana Premier League be a nations will be. More good players, or more good technical team, or more sika, or more facility.
Bibia or football.
Enti obi ba ofia mani usam power ba ofie. Ghana League no ma bia wo ma ebi bia no. Nations will be omo baba ya na say Accra Sports Stadium ka so ho neutral ground. Baby omo ban e ho mu fie. There also here wo the G League no. Wo bi bia bi. Enti yentie me ale ofem kwa me fa Alex. Ye adwuma no. Yeah, do man make sure say. Debi. Yempe.
The animals say such na match samatex.
Simple.
Na more chances of winning.
Especially when more contenders me no bo. Kotoko ni bo. Baby any go start say bo. Mutan ya. Two teams no obi enu obenya 3 points. Either say ba ku pe de benya, and also ba ku benya 1 point. It is a wunya 3 points na. Uko
okay.
Yempe anadwuma na sembia o Abrankesi. Minu say message no mo de amama no mo de aba. Yempe na o na mo fa nche na o say ye ba ye nche na second season o de mo yes
mo hwe na season.
Yes I share season.
Yeah, ni na season. Debi. Because season ye de hwe mo last year. We dey monje we ni dey monje.
Baby about the Nigeria nations that.
I like this monje league we sa league we J. Only Dr. Kwame Chemu league.
Omo bo Samates. Ewi akoba seke. Abebo Lions e ofie.
Sa game so adion. Bashir Ford.
Open league ajo bo last match ofie heading.
Bashir Ford na obo no.
Rich.
On the league ni bo.
Mama musa wasemo. Enti ka Bashir Ford na ko da baby a nations da no. Ene ka nations e ba ni fie wo kwando a. Ka ba ka sa match na heading. E kwa bi obo so be so wi obe sa wo. Sa na wo se sa dwi ni bi na wo se ni se nations ni mo. Ene ko se mo munya Eddie ena we dey bibia bet dabi bibia ni we bet yesi. Enke omo ankomo fa ho nche enti wo so make sure say omo ntomo.
Ati me wo ma fe enum